Hello everybody, it's me YK. So now I will show you how to create this rain effect in Photoshop. You also create this effect in others' photo editing software. So first we will go to where we downloaded the source file. Then unzip the source file. So I have 25 rain overlays files in .jpg and .png format. So PNG files have a transparent background and can be easily inserted into any photo. First, open the photo to that we will apply the effect. Then drag and drop any rain overlay on top of your photo. It should be resized like the photo. You can reduce the opacity a little for the realistic rain effect. Now I can create a layer mask and just delete some rain effects from his face. Adjust brightness or contrast as per your requirement. And there you go, now we are done with our rain effect. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next tutorial.